how to get the best genuine, working, and available promo codes for the Shein website. So let's start this video. For this, you just need to open the browser on your PC and simply search for best Shein promo codes up to $100. Here on this website, you can see there is 25% off, then 20% off, then again 25% off. After that, you can see there is 10% off on Shein. Wow, there is 70% off. Yes, you can get up to 70% off on the different store of Shein or the online platform. To get the promo, you have to click on the blue option on the right. That is, get this Q or promo code. You have to click on this option and then simply go to the official Shein website, and then you have to paste this copied promo code to the main payment page on the Shein. After doing it, it will be discounted from your total amount, and then you have to pay it, and then yes, you can buy anything with discount. Thank you so much for watching this video.